Hey everyone, Zach Fry here. Just wanted to drop a quick video on something that I haven't talked about on here that I think is very important, and that is repair requests. So repair requests are the second of two negotiations that typically happen in any home purchase, right? The first negotiation is you negotiate for price and terms, right? You say, I'll give X amount of dollars, close in 30 to 45 days, and you put your contingencies in, contingent on, appraisal, home inspection, financing, so on. So after the home inspection, you usually ask for certain items to be completed. Well, there's a couple different ways to prioritize things and kind of get to everybody where they want to be, right? So I tell buyers, really, they still have got to pick their battles. Sellers really are remembering when they didn't have to do anything at all. So you do have to prioritize. And I just tell buyers, hey, focus on what I call the 3 S's, which are safety, systems, and structure, right? One thing that would be injurious to a homeowner or their family to be repaired. Systems, that's going to be electrical, HVAC, plumbing, and then structure, foundation, roof, and so on. So you can ask for the seller to complete those items, right? But you don't have control over who they're getting it done. You may have a friend in the business or be really particular and like to have things done a certain way. So that might not be a fit for you. You can ask for a price reduction in lieu of repairs being made. But just having your price go down a few thousand, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or so, that's a common range, may not affect the payment that much and give you much to work with. Another option is you can have seller pay kind of offset the funds that you're bringing to closing, right? So you can say seller to pay $4,000 towards buyers' prepaids and closing costs in lieu of repairs. And sellers will generally be a little more generous if they can go that route. It helps them kind of avoid some liability. You get to choose who does the work and to your satisfaction. And it's been a win-win for a lot of buyers and sellers out there. So anyhow, if you have any further questions or anything, I'm here to help. Licensed in Kentucky and Indiana, and want to be a great resource for you. So anyhow, have a great day. Take care.